Okay, so I have my sources and I have written my paper, and now I'm ready to really double check these sources, edit them if need be, and then actually copy the citations, create a works cited page from them. So first thing to consider is that with these sources, I can go into my options and I can edit them. Now, this is very important because once I've used my in-text citations, it may be that one of these sources I actually didn't end up citing. So, you can go through, you can look for things you may have missed, you can edit it as possible. But notice here at the bottom, it says include the source in my final works cited. So if I did not include the source, I would unclick that. It would still keep it on your sources, but it just says that you did not actually use it in your final works cited page. So that is a great thing to know. So I actually did end up including this. So I'm not going to take it out, but that is how you do that. So back to your sources, then how can I get this exported? So what I would recommend you do is you export it to Word Online. So that is going to create a page that is linked to your school email. You'll notice that this is actually in my school email. Your Office 365 account is. So it's super helpful. That means you always have it. You can change the title of it if it ends up being that you're doing something where you are not creating a paper and you're doing what we call Works Consulted page. Works Consulted being that you've looked at these sources, but you did not actually cite them in the paper. You can then change the title. But what you'll notice about this is that if you have put in the information correctly, it has formatted it correctly. It is alphabetized, it is double spaced, and it has the hanging indent, and then you don't have to worry about like oddly doing that. So that is how you do that.